What's up everybody, Scotty Schneider here from the Use Orca team, and today we're going to go over how to download Use Orca. So you've probably put in your email already and you've got the app.useorca.com download link, so we'll just navigate to this. You do not have to use an incognito browser. I'm just doing this so that it doesn't recognize my sessions, so I can show you what it looks like if you're coming to this new. So you will need a Google account. If you don't have a Google account, I'll put up a separate article about how to do that and drop some links in to that article about how to set one up. It's free, and that's currently what we're using to authenticate users. So you will need a Google account. So as you see here, you will need to use one of your Google accounts. In this case, I'm going to use this one, since the system doesn't recognize that I have an account under scott.schneider@tinderbox.com. So let me blow this up to show you guys what we're looking at. Alright, so thanks, let's download the Mac app now. Great, so it realizes that I'm on a Mac. If you're on a Windows, of course, it's going to say something different. And if the download for whatever reason doesn't start like it did, bottom left here for me, then the Mac OS app and the Windows app download links are right there. So once this is downloaded, you can click on it. I'm going to minimize this. Alright, it's going to open and verify the application. Now, since I'm on a Mac, how I download applications is by clicking on it and dragging it over to applications. And you'll see that it is copying. Once that is complete, I can now go to my applications. And there it pops up. Click on Orca. Now, I have my settings set as I can open apps from the web that are from identified developers or the App Store. Now, if you see something else different than this screen right here, if your security settings are a little bit more robust, say, then you'll want to go to System Preferences, Security and Privacy. You want to click the lock to make changes, because under the General tab, this is what you're looking at. You want to allow apps downloaded from App Store and identified developers. You might have an issue if you only allow apps downloaded from the App Store. So if this is you, then click the lock to make changes, enter in your system password, and then make sure that this is selected, and then you'll be able to open the application. And here we go. Now, this will need to be open. The Orca application will need to be open as long as you're running any campaigns. Now, it's lightweight, it's out of your way. You don't have to have the dashboard open, but you do need to have this open. To go to your dashboard, which is what we'll cover in the next step, you can click the settings icon here and then click Go to Dashboard. And from there, we'll take you through the process of getting set up and running your first campaigns. So I hope this was valuable to you. Check out the tutorial below. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, scott@useorca.com, and we look forward to having you set up on the Orca app. Talk to you guys later.